If you're still using ChatGPT like an intern for low-level tasks, you may never be seen as more. Leaders use AI to own decisions, manage risks, and shift power in the room. In this video, you'll learn how to turn AI into your secret weapon for high-stakes transformation, so you're seen as a leader, not just a doer. Here's the trap. If AI is just making you faster, it's locking you into the role you're trying to outgrow. Execution speed doesn't get you promoted. Leadership presence does. So let's get straight into it. Leadership move 1, make the choice. Let's say your VP wants a clear path forward by end of day. First, feed ChatGPT a short paragraph describing the decision, the business goal, and any constraints or timelines. Then try this prompt. Act as a chief of staff, creating a decision brief for the purpose of helping executives choose a path forward. Generate a one-page brief with 3 options, a preferred recommendation, and what's at stake if we delay. Highlight trade-offs in plain executive language as a 45-year-old human professional without any M-dashes. M-dashes are a dead giveaway of ChatGPT, and you are trying to increase your executive presence, so I clean those up. This flips you from an explainer to a decision maker. Most PMs spend their day reporting and aggregating data, offering options for someone else to decide. That keeps them stuck in support mode. But when you bring a clear decision brief, you stop waiting and start steering. What most leaders miss here isn't the options. It's the cost of inaction. Leader move 2, own the downside. You're heading into a review where everybody wants confidence. Open a chat window in ChatGPT and put a summary of the project scope, delivery, assumptions, and any team or tech dependencies. Then prompt with this. Act as a risk analyst, creating a risk radar for the purpose of briefing senior leadership. Map the 3 top failure modes, the early warning signals for each, and a one-line mitigation strategy. Keep it concise enough to brief a VP in under 2 minutes, and always as a human professional without any M-dashes. This shows political courage. You're not just reporting risk, you're managing it. Right now, most delivery pros are buried in noise. Back-channel debates, vague asks, political landmines. Owning the downside cuts through that noise and earns you trust. Most execs don't fear risk, they fear surprise. If you like this type of practical content to level up your leadership presence, I'd really appreciate you subscribing so you let me know and YouTube know that this is valuable. Now on to the next one. Leadership move 3, make the ask. This is the money slide. You're preparing for a leadership sync and need buy-in fast. Feed ChatGPT a brief on the decision context, the trade-off you're proposing, and what it unlocks for the business. Then try this prompt. Act as a board-level strategist, creating a money slide for the purpose of persuading executives. Draft a single slide argument that frames the trade-off as unlocking strategic value, not just speed. Include a headline, one chart suggestion, and the closing ask as a 45-year-old professional without any M-dashes. This positions you as a peer, not a helper. Not, here's the update, but here's the play. Every meeting you deflect through is one more chance that someone else can claim the role of decision maker. But when you make the ask, you step into that role. The ask isn't framed around your need. It's framed so leaders see what they can champion. So ask yourself, are you showing up like the one who makes decisions, the one who protects, the one who persuades? Because AI can help you do that. Not just draft faster, but think cleaner. Signal trust, and take the lead. The 3 moves you just saw shift how you show up. But if you're ready to go deeper, here are 4 quick additional prompts I use to protect focus, align a room, and navigate power dynamics. Think of these as bonus tips. Rapid, practical, and easy to test. Reputation ledger. Give ChatGPT a recap of your last 5 major meetings, updates, or decisions. Include what the decisions were, how you communicated them, any supporting artifacts like emails, transcripts, or slides, and feedback from the stakeholders. The prompt is, act as an executive coach, creating a reputation ledger for the purpose of building self-awareness. Summarize what my leadership reputation looks like based on my last 5 actions or decisions. Number 2, Power Map Summary. Give ChatGPT the key stakeholders, known blockers, and upcoming pitch context. The prompt I use for this is act as a political strategist creating a power map for the purpose of preparing an upcoming pitch. List key stakeholders, their likely objections, and how to address each one before the next pitch. Number 3, meeting blueprint. Give ChatGPT the meeting goal, the tension or risk you're expecting, and your desired outcome. The prompt for this one is act as a meeting designer, creating a blueprint for the purpose of guiding a high-stakes discussion. Outline a meeting structure with purpose, conflict framing, and high-leverage closing ask. Number 4, and this may be my favorite one, pre-mortem builder. Give ChatGPT a brief project summary of any recent concerns raised by the team. The prompt for this one, act as a risk consultant creating a pre-mortem for the purpose of surfacing hidden risks. List 5 project risks most people overlook. Then flip each into a proactive question for the next team sync. Let me know if you had a favorite bonus prompt in the comments below. I'd love to know which one and why. You can download all of these prompts, including the 4 bonus prompts, for free just by clicking the link in the description. Save these, use them, modify them, make them your own. Remember, strategic leaders don't wait for clarity, they create it. If you found value in this type of content, you can keep going with the full Strategic Edge playlist with the video YouTube thinks you'll like the best. Each video is designed to help you by leveraging AI to develop your own leadership abilities. Check back often so we can connect, learn, and innovate together.